Have you been interested in California Beach Waves by Tressallure? If so, in this video, I'm going to go over all the deets. I'm going to show you this gorgeous, gorgeous style in this stunning color. And I'm also going to show you one other color just so you can kind of get an idea of the versatility of this style. So if that's what you're looking for, let's get to it. California Beach Waves is a stunning heat-friendly style, and I am so much more in love with this than I thought I would be, and I'm so much more in love with this color than I thought I would be. I'm so excited. So we will go ahead and look at her cap construction, but let's talk about a little bit of deets. She really reminds me of Henry Margou's Willow, so if that was a style that you were looking for, this is a very similar style. This particular color that I have right now is 32/31, and the dimension on it is insane. This is a very textured, beachy, like you could definitely use some like the Jean Renault or the Aesthetica beach spray on this to really take this up. This is a heat friendly style. It's 275 to 300 degrees in terms of the heat. The heat friendly fibers of Tressallure are kind of really unlike other heat friendly fibers from name brand wigs. They just have more of a natural human hair feel. They do have that sort of keratin treated thing that I always talk about going on. So if you've been hesitant in the past to try heat friendly fiber, I really do think that the Look Fabulous heat friendly styles from Tressallure would be a really great choice for you. Let's talk about the cap construction. So this is the same wig in the color 12R, which is also stunning. I'll try her on for you as well. The California Beach Waves is a monofilament top, so it's got this hand-tied monofilament. It's really going to give you movement. You can part it different ways. You can style it different ways. It's got the hand-tied lace front in the front, so it just, especially with the bang, it really is giving you, you could really do a curtain bang thing if you wanted to. You could do a side swept. You could do a lot with that. Overall, it's 6 ounces, so it's not super heavy in actual weight of the entire wig. The density, as you can see, is very, very realistic. Okay, comes in an average cap. The rest of the cap is wefted. It does have bendable ear tabs, and then it also has the Velcro adjustable straps. Dimensions on this wig is 5 inches in the front. The crown is 16 inches, side 16 inches, back 16 inches, and then 6 inches at the nape. I am 5'6.5", so this is where she falls on me. Your height does kind of determine, no matter what the length of the wig, how it's going to lay, where it's going to lay, and that sort of thing. My measurements is I'm 21.5 inches in terms of my circumference, which is petite average. From ear to ear, I'm 11 3/4, and from front to back, I'm 14 inches. I have to say this feels like a slightly smaller cap than a lot of other styles from Tressallure. So that's just something to keep in mind. It's got the, adjustable straps and things like that, but it does feel a little bit smaller than I think I just reviewed the Blaze and I just reviewed Spectacular, and this is definitely just feels like a smaller cap than that. I absolutely love this style. You could use a little bit of the Tressallure wig wax to sort of push it back off your face for sure if that's what you wanted,
because you know how I feel about bangs.
But this is just so stunning. Let's look at her from the back. Whoa, I got so high pitched for no reason. Let's look at her from the back. You have to excuse me. Kit took my actual chair, which is right here. So now we have to deal with that. Oh yeah, so gorgeous. This would be so perfect with like a ponytail. Yep. That was really loud. Yeah, I'm hanging on to one of these colors. I just don't know which one. All right, so let's take her off and let's look at the number 12. This is definitely like an ashy blonde and, or ashy brown. And I love me an ashy color in general. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. She's just a really gorgeous style. Let's comb through her a little bit. I really like this color. It's funny, sometimes the colors that are like 12R, and it's like you think they would just be pretty flat, but there is so much dimension in this. Let me get her where I like her, because bangs. Yeah, this is a gorgeous color. This is a gorgeous style. So that's what I have for you for this wig. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, please put that down below. I would love to hear it. If you want to check out my Tressallure, if you want to check out my Tressallure playlist down below, you can see all the wigs that I've already reviewed from Tressallure. If there's something that you want to see that's not in there, go ahead and let me know that in the comments as well. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, then do it. And if you have subscribed, then you're my doll baby, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.